Tak, letite jetre hodiče. Korba ne pali. Evo ga, klema za maso. Mali prasec. Baraba. Da te vidno zdaj. Dobro. Evo. Probimo. So si zjamrane. Ja, še kaj. Evo. Itak. Evo, starion. I bought some new ground straps. One is a bit longer, another is a bit shorter. I have chosen the thickest one possible, so you can assure that the starter motor has enough current to start reliably. As I think that it is accessible from down up, I'm gonna lift the car and try to undo it from below. So there it is. That's the torn ground strap. It connects the chassis and the engine. It's broken, so will have to be replaced. There's no downpipe in there at the moment, neither is engine mount. So I've got a really nice access to the ground strap that failed. It has to be undone, and the other end comes to the engine mount that is not in there at the moment. So let's just undo it. So this is the right engine mount. I didn't know exactly what size of this strap do I need, so I took two different dimensions and both are terribly wrong. So right now I will shorten both of them and mount them both together. So I disassembled one part, one side, using a hammer and a small flat screwdriver. Now all I have to do is put it back together so it would make some useful size. So here are both straps bolted on the engine mount, and I think it should make a pretty nice contact. So the engine mount is back together, and now I can fix these straps back to their positions. There we go, one. The second one, there goes the nut, and tighten it quite a bit. They're short enough so cannot interfere with the drive axle, and long enough to allow some movement of the engine.